Mental health is a topic that deserves more attention, especially in India, where discussions around mental wellness are often overshadowed by stigma and misconceptions. Despite growing awareness in recent years, many people still hesitate to talk openly about their struggles. This reluctance often stems from societal pressure to appear strong, combined with a lack of understanding about mental health. It's time to change that narrative. In this video, we'll explore why mental health awareness is so crucial, the importance of self-care, and actionable steps to create a culture of acceptance and support. In India, the fast-paced demands of daily life, whether it's academic pressure, work stress, financial responsibilities, or societal expectations, take a heavy toll on mental health. Many individuals find themselves grappling with anxiety, depression, or burnout but feel unable to seek help. It's important to recognize that mental health is as important as physical health. Ignoring emotional and psychological well-being can lead to long-term issues that impact all areas of life, from relationships to productivity. The first step toward mental health awareness is understanding that it's okay to not be okay, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Self-care is a vital aspect of maintaining mental health. In India, where family obligations and work commitments often leave little room for personal time, self-care can feel like an indulgence rather than a necessity. However, self-care is not about being selfish, it's about taking intentional steps to prioritize your well-being. For instance, setting boundaries at work and in personal relationships is essential. Saying no when you're overburdened, taking breaks, and ensuring that you have time for yourself can help prevent burnout. Let's talk about some effective self-care practices. One of the most powerful tools is mindfulness. Practices like yoga and meditation, which originated in India, are globally recognized for their benefits in reducing stress and improving mental clarity. A simple daily meditation routine, even for 10 minutes, can help you stay grounded and manage overwhelming emotions. If you're new to meditation, there are plenty of guided sessions available online in regional languages, making it easier than ever to get started. Another key aspect of self-care is maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity, whether it's a brisk morning walk, cycling, or practicing yoga, can significantly improve your mood and energy levels. Additionally, eating a balanced diet plays a crucial role in mental health. Traditional Indian foods, rich in nutrients like turmeric, lentils, and fresh vegetables, are not only good for physical health but also support brain function. At the same time, try to limit your intake of processed foods, as they can contribute to lethargy and low energy levels. Sleep is another pillar of mental wellness. In our hyper-connected world, where late-night scrolling on social media is common, getting enough quality sleep has become a challenge. Prioritize creating a bedtime routine that allows your body to relax, turn off screens, drink a calming herbal tea, or read a book. Adequate sleep is crucial for emotional resilience and better decision-making. In India, where family plays a central role in our lives, building open communication within households can make a significant difference. Encourage conversations about mental health among family members. Share your experiences and listen to theirs without judgment. Creating a supportive environment at home is one of the most effective ways to promote mental wellness. If you're a parent, be attentive to your children's emotional needs and teach them the importance of expressing their feelings. Schools and colleges also have a role to play in introducing mental health education and creating safe spaces for students to seek support. Seeking professional help is an essential step for those facing severe mental health challenges. It's crucial to remember that therapy is not just for those in crisis, it's for anyone looking to better understand themselves, manage stress, or improve their overall well-being. Workplace mental health is another area that requires attention. In India, many employees work long hours under significant pressure, often without proper support from their employers. Companies must take the lead in creating a culture where mental health is prioritized. This includes offering flexible work hours, providing mental health resources, and fostering an environment where employees feel comfortable discussing their struggles. For employees, it's important to advocate for your needs and utilize resources like employee assistance programs if they're available. Lastly, we cannot ignore the impact of technology and social media on mental health. While these tools connect us in powerful ways, they also contribute to feelings of inadequacy and information overload. Set boundaries for screen time, especially before bed, and curate your feeds to follow accounts that inspire and uplift you rather than ones that trigger comparison or negativity. Remember, it's okay to take a break from social media whenever needed. Raising mental health awareness in India requires a collective effort. By normalizing conversations around mental health, educating ourselves and others, and being mindful of how we approach the topic, we can reduce stigma and create a culture of compassion and understanding. Small actions, like checking in on a friend, sharing your story, or supporting mental health initiatives, can have a significant impact. Together, we can create a society where mental wellness is valued just as much as physical health. Your mental health journey is unique to you, but you don't have to walk it alone. Help is out there, whether it's through friends, family, or professional counselors. Let's work together to break the stigma, support one another, and create a future where mental health is celebrated and prioritized. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not just a choice, it's a necessity for living a happier, healthier life.